Hello student, in this video I am going to explain the operators in JavaScript. In our previous video I have explained what is JavaScript, what is the syntax of JavaScript, coding for JavaScript and alert statement. So let's get started. Operators in JavaScript. JavaScript operators are symbols which are used to assign values, compare values, perform arithmetic operation, etc. So JavaScript operators are nothing but symbols, and they assign a value, compare a value, and it performs arithmetic operations. The things on which the operator is applied is called the operand. For example, A and B are variable. Here you see A is a operand, B is a operand, and plus sign is the operator. Unary operator and binary operator. So operator that requires only one operand is called a unary operator. For example, not operator. And operator that requires two operand is called a binary operator. For example, AND operator. Here you see only one operator is there, not, and here two operators are there. So this is binary operator and this is unary operators. The different operators of JavaScript are arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, increment and decrement operator, assignment operator, conditional operator, string operator, type operator, and bitwise operator. So now I am going to explain one by one the operators individually. So arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators perform arithmetic operations on numbers. The arithmetic operators are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, multiply, that is asterisk symbol for multiplication, forward slash for division, and percent sign for modulus. You divide two numbers, for example 5 divided by 2. So what will happen? In the quotient it will be 2 and in the remainder it will be 1. So slash will take the quotient part while the modulus will take the remainder part. Next is comparison operator. Comparison operators are used to compare two expressions. It results in true or false. It results in Boolean value, that is either true or false. The comparison operators are equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, or less than or equals to. Logical operator. Logical operators are used with one or more relational expression and result in either true or false. So logical operators are used with relational expression and it results in true or false. So consider A equals to 5 and B equals to 10. So there are three types of logical operators. They are and, not, and or, and not. So AND operator, you see the example of AND operator. Here two conditions are there. In AND operator, both the conditions should be fulfilled. If both the conditions are not fulfilled, then it results in false. In OR operator, here the two conditions are there. Out of two conditions, one condition should be fulfilled. If it is satisfied, then it will be true. And in NOT operator, here you see not A greater than B. So 5 is not greater than 10. And the result is true. Next is increment and decrement operator. The increment and decrement operators are unary operators. The increment operators plus increases the value by 1 and the decrement operator minus decreases the value by 1. For example, consider this A equals to 10. Now plus operator, so the value of A is 10. If we give plus operator, in plus operator what will happen? It will increase the value by 1. So 10 plus 1, that is 11. And A, the value of A is 10. In decrement operator, what happens? It decreases the value by 1. So 10 becomes 9. That's all for today. Hope you understood. Thank you.